Today, I'm reviewing Autopilot, a marketing automation SaaS designed to help businesses streamline their customer journeys. Right from the start, Autopilot offers a clean and visually appealing interface that makes marketing automation accessible even for those who aren't tech-savvy. When you first log in, you're greeted with a well-organized dashboard featuring an intuitive drag-and-drop journey builder, which is one of its standout features. The Journey Builder is where you design and automate customer interactions. You can create workflows that send personalized emails, track user behavior, trigger messages based on actions, and even integrate with other platforms like Salesforce, HubSpot, and Slack. Setting up a journey is relatively straightforward. You drag elements onto the canvas, connect them with flow lines, and configure triggers. For example, if a customer signs up for a newsletter, you can automatically send a welcome email, follow up with an offer, and later remind them about your services, all on Autopilot. One of the most powerful features is its email marketing automation. You can create visually appealing emails using the built-in template editor, which provides customization options for branding, images, and text. The system also supports A/B testing, allowing you to optimize email campaigns based on performance metrics like open rates and click-through rates. Another strong feature is segmentation, which helps target specific audiences based on behavior, demographics, or previous interactions. Autopilot also includes SMS messaging and in-app notifications, making it possible to engage with customers across multiple channels. The software tracks interactions in real time, providing insights into customer behavior and engagement. This helps businesses refine their marketing strategies based on actual data rather than guesswork. Now, let's talk about integrations. Autopilot connects seamlessly with major third-party tools such as Zapier, Google Sheets, Segment, and Facebook Ads, making it easy to sync data and automate workflows across platforms. If your business relies on CRM tools, Autopilot's deep integration with Salesforce allows for seamless lead management and nurturing. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Do this after watching the video. One potential drawback of Autopilot is its pricing structure. While it offers a free trial, the paid plans can be costly for small businesses or startups. However, the robust automation capabilities might justify the expense for companies that rely heavily on automated marketing. Customer support is another area worth noting. While Autopilot provides extensive documentation and a knowledge base, direct support options like live chat or phone support are limited. Overall, Autopilot is a solid marketing automation tool for businesses looking to streamline customer journeys and improve engagement. Its user-friendly interface, powerful automation capabilities, and seamless integrations make it a strong competitor in the SaaS marketing space. However, its pricing may be a concern for smaller businesses, and those needing direct customer support may find it lacking. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more honest SaaS reviews. Let me know in the comments if you've used Autopilot and what your experience has been.